welcome to Tone Bogans episode 3. We are getting through these ones rather quickly, I feel. Or maybe I just feel that because I've actually recorded 2 episodes today and I just changed my shirt. So, in this episode of Tone Bogans, sorry, it's making me laugh calling it Tone Bogans. I really need to change the series, but this is the 3rd episode, so I think I'm kind of stuck with it now. I like it, but it's kind of a troll on it's kind of a troll on what I call tone snobs, whether they have to have a $6,000 amp in order to be able to play. Like, that's just not practical in any sense, unless you are really wealthy, in which case you can play whatever the damn hell you want. You go girl, you go guy, you get that expensive amp. We're digressing too far. Let's get into today's pedal. So I've got this lovely chocolate brown with, is that sky blue? Looks like sky blue rim. I think if it didn't have the blue, it would look like a chocolate bar with some buttons and a foot switch on it, which actually would be really cool. Who wants to make me a pedal that looks like chocolate? Because I really love chocolate and I think that would be awesome. So we've got the ENO Reverb from the T-Cube series. I love this on the back. Gentle reminder, removal of screws, or this label with void warranty. That's so sweet. It's a gentle reminder. Thank you for gently reminding me that I'm going to blow my warranty on a, I think, $35 Australian pedal. Thank you so much. It's very kind. So, like all of the mini pedals, they only do power, which I don't know if I've pointed that out in the other 2 episodes, and I'm not going to go back and watch them again because I don't like watching myself on video. This has 4 knobs, so we are going up in the world, kids. We've got 4 knobs on this one. It's all downhill from there. We've got the room, the spring, and the well settings. And this pedal is actually really cool because the light changes color when you select the 3 different settings. I think off the top of my head, it's green, then red and green together. That's, I think, supposed to be orange. Doesn't quite get there. We've got time, which I've got dimed all the way. We've got dry to wet. I found that this pedal, if it's all the way wet, it gets this really weird clipping distortion from the pedals in front of it. So I've got it at about 1 o'clock, and I've got the level at about 1 o'clock as well. Probably for the same reason. Or maybe that's unity gain. I can't remember. We'll have a look. I'll be back after the riffs, but we'll go through some of the settings on this and I'll play through. We'll see if we can get it to clip. I think it might just be when I've got 6 pedals in front of it and this is the last in the chain. I don't know. I haven't really worked it out yet. I just kind of linked them all up and was like, yeah, let's go. So I'll see you soon. Stay tuned. What's your thoughts on that? Put your comments, as always, in the below comment section. I always go to say put it in the link, but you can't edit the link because I own the video and the channel and you don't have access to edit it. So if you liked it and you think you have a use for it, I got mine for about 33 Australian dollars, something like that. I tend to buy a lot of things if they have the double digits in them. Like, oh, that's pretty cool, I'll get that, just because it's like 22 or 11 or 33 or $44. It's quite a strange habit now that I've said it out loud, but there you go, that's why I buy these. And again, this series just looks at pedals that are under 50 Australian dollars. Australian, I don't know if I can even say that Australian enough, Oz enough. I think that this pedal, it does have a use, but I think there's probably better reverb pedals. I like that it's got the 3 settings to choose from, but it's not a real room, it's not a real spring, it's not a real well, whatever that is. I assume it's some kind of cavern or church or hall replicant. It's just done by EQ. All they're doing when you dial it around is it slightly alters the EQ of the output, and I think you're probably better off if you just grab a reverb in this price range that is just like a one-trick pony. Like the Mosky Spring reverb, I think, was a really similar price, and that does its one thing really well, whereas this does 3 things suitably, I guess, if we want to put it like that. It's a suitable pedal. It's probably okay, again, just for having a little rig in front of your practice amp. But in terms of ambient, if it's going to clip out and distort all the time, sure, that might be an effect that I want sometimes, so I'll have some use out of it, but it kind of didn't fulfill the brief that I had in my head when I got it, and that was to be a long decay reverb that could be like a wash. And I did like that on this one it had the level and the mix and the decay. I thought maybe it would almost be that kill dry kind of setup, but it was not to be, and it does not do that. That said, if you can get one of these for like 20 Australian dollars, I don't know any of the conversion rates, but if you can get it really, really ridiculously cheap, just grab it for something that has a sound that is not going to be in a higher end pedal. Again, if you go to a lo-fi setting on a reverb pedal, it's not as lo-fi as these cheap pedals. So if you want that grainy, glitchy kind of sound, hey, this is perfect. Get another one, get 6 of them. Have a whole pedal board. Oh, that'd be interesting actually. A whole pedal board of one pedal. I actually did see a meme for that, but it was for like the is it the Metal Zone, the one that everyone hates? Yeah, it was either that or heavy metal. I can't remember the one that everyone hates, but it was like 20 of those on a pedal board, which is really off topic. I apologize. We're done for today. As always, please like and subscribe. I'm sure the regulars will have turned off the video by now, but for the newcomers, if I get to, or when I get to 1,000 subscribers, I'm releasing my feature film for free on this platform. So for that reason, come on, make my dreams come true or something. And when it's on the platform, at most you just have to watch one ad to make this a reality. Thank you so much, and I will see you next episode of Tone Bogans, the title that makes me giggle a lot. Bye.